Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box for the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Thursday, April 17th. These are the charts of the day. As we do every Thursday, we normally do a swing trade review, and we'll do one today. But I got to tell you that 80% of our stocks in the last 3 weeks with the market sharp decline have taken out their stops, which is why we have stops to protect our positions. There still are a few, I think 4 longs and 3 shorts that I'm going to cover today that still are in play. ALSN transmission, which formed a wedge here when it first caved over the gap. We shorted about 101, and within about 6 weeks it traded down to 80, and at this point we have what amounts to a wedge. Now this pattern could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. If there's another wave down, a 5th wave, it'll be somewhere between 80 and 75. On the long side, CLH has held up extremely well, and we just put it out a week ago. It popped and then went sideways and put a flag in. I like that look a lot. It's really holding up well in this market. And should it get above 38.5, we might see the stock in the low to mid 40s. CHRW on the short side, after forming a head and shoulder top and breaking down, formed a bear flag. We went short about 102, and it worked its way down to 84 and change, and also bounced. Right now, this is a wedge pattern or a bottoming pattern. We don't know yet. Bottom line is above 96, I want you covering. But if that turns out to be a bear wedge and it's got another leg down, it could be down to 80. GoDaddy is yet another short after breaking the long-term trend from the beautiful bear flag, and we were short. That was about 180. And eventually, when the market dropped, pulled back to 155.5 and bounced. If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, we obviously want to, if you're short, you want this to fail with the next leg down to 152, maybe as low as 140. LMSR continues to hold very well. It's a tech trader swing we put out when it broke out around the 910 range. It ran up to 17, 31, and then formed a coil. Very quiet in here, but holding up extremely well. Retesting 17 is your target, then low 20s. QURE, I put that out today when it exploded. It did back off a bit, and maybe I was a little early, very possible. But should this thing break above the double top above 15, I'm looking for 19 and 23. Excuse me. And finally, TGTX broke out and pulled back right to support at the trend line and bounced. If this is going to make a move further, it's going to have to retest and take out the low 40s around the 43 range, and then move into the high 40s, low 50s, our next target. That's a quick look at some of the tech trader swing trades that are still in play. On purpose, this list is small until the market reveals itself one way or another. I'm going to be very cautious about adding the swings. For now, HB out. Talk to you later. Have a great 3-day holiday.